Hi, I'm Mr. McMicken. I teach English 1 and I have Jaquan Rose this year. In the month of November, I nominated him as a Student of the Month. He wanted to get away from Sumter's. This is his first year at Ridgeview, to get away from his past self and start being a better person. And I'm really proud of the progress that he's made this year in terms of himself, his behavior, and turning in quality work. He's a consistent and awesome kid. Congratulations.
I'm recognizing Patrick Smith as a Student of the Month for Blazer Academy. He's an outstanding student, always prepared, dedicated, and hardworking. He's the best student for the 9th grade to receive this award this past month.
I'm here to present the Student of the Month, which is Josetta. Josetta is a very compassionate young lady. She's the type of student, if you give her a task to do before her, she's going to do it willingly, without any complaints. She's also the type of student that will work with her peers, regardless of who they are. She's that type of student that whenever you need to put individuals in a group and you have students that don't want to work with a specific student, she'll step up to the plate and take that student on, which is why she is Student of the Month.